Upgrade your laser engraving setup with the TWOTREES 20W High Power Laser Module, a powerful laser head designed to enhance the cutting and engraving capabilities of compatible TWOTREES CNC laser engravers. With 20W optical power, a Blue Light TTL laser head, and precision-focused performance, this upgrade is ideal for makers, DIY enthusiasts, workshops, and professional creators looking for improved engraving efficiency and cutting capability. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the TWOTREES 20W laser module and explore its compatibility, installation potential, optical performance, and key features designed to improve your existing laser engraving machine. Specifically engineered for the TWOTREES TTS55 Pro and TTS10 Pro, this module provides a convenient way to upgrade your laser system without replacing the entire machine. Key features: TWOTREES 20W Laser Module 20W Optical Power. High Power Laser Cutting and Engraving. Blue Light TTL Laser Head. Designed for precision engraving. Enhanced cutting performance. Compatible with TTS55 Pro. Compatible with TTS10 Pro. CNC laser engraving applications. Smart device compatibility. CE certified. EU and US plug options. Compact and lightweight design. Easy storage and transportation. Professional and DIY applications. The 20W optical power provides increased laser performance for demanding engraving and cutting projects, helping users achieve more efficient results across a variety of suitable materials. The Blue Light TTL laser head is designed to provide precise laser control and improved visibility during operation. TTL control also allows compatible systems to manage laser power more accurately for different engraving and cutting requirements. Designed specifically for the TTS55 Pro and TTS10 Pro, this module offers a practical upgrade solution for users who want to increase the capabilities of their existing TWOTREES laser engraving equipment. Perfect for laser engraving upgrades, CNC laser projects, wood engraving, acrylic projects, DIY crafts, personalized products, workshop projects, professional engraving, maker projects, creative manufacturing, small business production. The compact packaging measures approximately 24 x 18 x 9 centimeters and weighs around 1.3 kilograms, making the module convenient to store, transport, and integrate into your workshop setup. With CE certification and support for EU and US plug configurations, the TWOTREES 20W laser module is designed to provide reliable performance for users in different regions. Whether you're upgrading your current laser engraver, improving cutting performance, or looking for a more powerful solution for creative projects, the TWOTREES 20W laser module offers an efficient way to take your compatible CNC laser engraving machine to the next level. Always follow the manufacturer's installation instructions and appropriate laser safety procedures when operating or upgrading laser equipment. Subscribe to the channel for more laser engraver reviews, CNC machine demonstrations, DIY projects, laser cutting technology, engraving tips, and the latest tools for makers and creators.